Hi everybody, today I'll be installing a pod filter into the Alfa Romeo Giulietta QV. The pod filter that I've gone for is a Greddy Airbox S, which is a smaller size pod filter because it will fit right into the engine bay pretty easily. This one has an 80mm intake housing, which means that it'll slot straight onto the airflow meter. So the process is all very straightforward. All you need to do is remove the bumper, remove the airbox, and slip the air filter onto the airflow meter. The airbox is held in place by two 10mm hex bolts. Once you have those undone, you just need to undo the circlip connecting the hose to the airflow meter, and then you can lift the airbox up and out of the engine bay. And now we have the pod filter installed in the engine bay. It's a rather tight fit, so it's a good thing I went for the smaller size. First, we'll see how the car sounds with the factory airbox in place. And now we'll see how it sounds with the pod filter in place. There you have it. It was a very simple install. I did it on the way to the gym and it only took me about an hour to complete. It should be a lot quicker, but the results are really good. It has an amazing sound. Everything is stock in a car, but it just sounds tuned now. The only other issue that I've found is that sometimes there is an atmospheric pressure error that pops up from time to time. So thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe.